Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Dogecoin from Bitrue to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your Dogecoin for better security, lower fees, or just to diversify your crypto holdings, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Coinbase, and that you have some Dogecoin in your Bitrue wallet. Double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Crypto transfers can be risky if you're not careful. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Dogecoin balance. Click on the Withdraw option next to Dogecoin. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. You'll need the Dogecoin wallet address from Coinbase. Head over to your Coinbase account, go to your Dogecoin wallet, and copy the receiving address. Make sure it's the correct one. Paste it carefully into the withdrawal form on Bitrue to avoid any mix-ups. Step 3. On Bitrue, enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. Remember to check for any withdrawal fees and ensure you're transferring an amount that exceeds the minimum limit. Review all the details, then confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to verify this with your two-factor authentication code. Once the transfer is initiated, it might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Coinbase account to confirm when the Dogecoin arrives. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, don't panic. Just check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. A few quick tips. Always use the exact network specified. Dogecoin typically uses its own network, so don't mix it up with other chains. And never share your private keys or wallet details. By following these steps, you'll have your Dogecoin transferred smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and see you in the next video.